name is Mike, and I do a lot of different activities. I do theater, and I do music shows, and I play games. And one of the other things I do is escape rooms. That's right. My company, Chameleon Theater, does escape rooms. So I want to tell you today what you need to know if you want to participate in one of our escape rooms. So let's go. In our escape rooms, we work with individual classes. And we divide the classes into teams of 2, 3, or 4 people. Now, when we start the activity, each team will have a challenge. Where do you get your challenge? Well, one person from your team. How many people? Hey, you're not responding. Yeah, when I ask you a question, you have to respond. Okay, so let's try this again. How many people? Exactly, one person. Good job. So one person from your team will go to the moderator. The moderator is the person conducting the activity, and you will get your challenge. They come in these beautiful bags. So then you will take it back to your station with your team. The first thing you must do is open the bag and see the contents. Let's see, what do we have here? Oh, a Rubik's Cube. Now, I'm sure you know how to say Rubik's Cube in your language. It's probably the same word, but you have to say it with English pronunciation. Rubik's Cube. Let me hear you say it. Hey, you didn't say it. Come on, let me hear you. Good job. So we have a Rubik's Cube and, oh, look at this. We have a box with a lock. What's this called? Good job. Okay, and is there anything else? No, nothing else. Sometimes I have students call me and say, Teacher, I can't do this. I don't understand this challenge. And I see that they forget to take something out of the bag. And I said, oh, this is probably important. Next, you should read the instructions. Should you read the book? Should you read a magazine? No. What should you read? The instructions. Good. So you read the instructions, and then you have to solve the challenge. You have to discover the solution. In almost all of the challenges, it is to open a box. So, when you solve the combination for the lock, you are going to press this button. Now, different locks have different buttons, but this lock has a button here. So, but of course, native speakers don't say button. We usually say button. Yeah, you like that? Button. Let me hear you say it. Not bad. Okay, so I'm going to press the button and aha, the lock opens and we can see what's inside. And inside, the secret message is faster. Yeah, can you see that? Faster. So, now you have completed the challenge. So what do? Well, the first thing you have to do is close the box and lock it properly. Aha! And now you must mix the numbers because you are preparing the box for the next group. Who are you preparing it for? Exactly, the next group. So I'm going to mix the numbers. Oh, you have to remember the secret message. It was faster. Great job. Then you put all of the contents back in the bag. Do you put them in your backpack? Do you put the contents in your rucksack? Where do you put them? In the bag, exactly. Then, one person from your team will take the challenge back to the coordinator. And when you've done that, two things will happen. One is the coordinator will give you your next challenge, and he or she will also give you your prize. Your prize is the form of giant puzzle pieces. And with those, you take them back to your station and do nothing. You just keep them there. Yeah? What do you do with them? Exactly, nothing. You just keep them there. They are for the final puzzle, when all of your class will come together and try to solve the final puzzle to give you the final combination. Why do we only have one person go? Well, imagine if we have 8 teams and all 8 teams finish at the same time and your entire class goes to get their next challenge. Well, it is complete chaos. Chaos? Do you understand chaos? Oh, you don't. Chaos is like craziness. It's a crazy situation where there are no rules. There is no organization. Complete chaos. So that's why we ask that only one person go to talk to the moderator. Okay? I said, okay? Good job. Okay, well, now you understand how our escape room works. Who knows, maybe I will see you in your next escape room adventure. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.